Who makes the best food in India? 12,000 home cooks came out to audition for Radical Rice, Rise to Riches. A massive hunt for kitchen talent with auditions across 8 major cities. Contestants were asked to make rice dishes the way they do at home. They cooked 2,000 kg of rice to be selected as one of the top 8 home cooks. The 8 finalists from these auditions will fight it out for the title of the best home cook. There is only one spot at the top.
Hi, I'm Aditya Bal and I've eaten around the world. But you know what? Nothing quite beats the good old taste of ghar ka khana. Whether it's a Kashmiri yakhni or a Hyderabadi biryani, they taste so much better when made at home by mom. Here on NDTV Good Times, we're searching for India's best home cook.
So I'm a foodie, you can see. So I love eating food. So I love trying making those things or those recipes.
Cooking is a great connect between anybody.
Kids doesn't want to eat simple food. They want something different. They want something new every time.
इनफैक्ट इस कॉम्पिटिशन में मैंने पार्टिसिपेट इसलिए किया क्योंकि मेरी बड़ी बेटी चाहती थी कि मैं आऊँ यहाँ और जीतूँ इसको. शी इज़ वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ ईटिंग. शी लव्स टू ईट वट एवर आई कुक. तो मैं रोज़ उनके लिए नई नई चीज़ें बनाती रहती हूँ. शी लव्स टू ईट ऑल डेजर्ट्स, स्पेसिफिकली मेड ऑफ राइस लाइक पुडिंग्स एंड ऑल.
तो जो डिफरेंट चीज़ बनाकर लोगों को घर में खिलाने से जो उनकी लेवल ऑफ खुशी आती है, वो देख के ही एक इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है कि और लेट्स गो अ स्टेप फर्दर.
We interact and communicate with our consumers, with our target consumers on a day-to-day basis. We have been supplying this rice for quite a while now, and we often came across wonderful home cooks who know how to cook wonderful dishes. They are the guys who are basically feeding the country. They are either housewives, sisters or mothers, and they have been feeding us for a long time. But they have never been given a platform where they can showcase their skills, where they can show what they are capable of.
एक्चुअली मेरा बचपन से सपना था मैं शेफ़ बनूं, लेकिन मेरे डैडी बोलते हैं लड़कियां शेफ़ नहीं बनती है.
As you can see, they're all stalwarts and housewives who do that every day, right? And I don't do that. I don't cook. But then I thought, why not? Why not? Give it a shot. It's good fun.
मेरे को ये भी नहीं पता था कि कुकिंग के मायने क्या होते हैं. बस वो तो मैं घर में जैसे थोड़ा बहुत करता रहता हूँ. कुकिंग तो मैंने बनाना सीखा.
जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है. अगर कोशिश करे इंसान तो हर काम कर सकता है.
A family which cooks together, that is the family which stays together.
Rice, ladies and gentlemen, is radical. It's one of the most versatile foods on earth and can be cooked in 1,000 different styles. From something simple and delicate like a pulao to something complex like a saffron biryani. Our contestants came up with quite a few interesting and creative rice creations of their own.
I'm cooking veg biryani today.
I'm going to make peas pulao today.
राइस का चॉप बना रही हूँ.
चावल बना मेवे की खिचड़ी. इसमें बादाम, काजू, किशमिश, इलायची.
मैं कंपटीशन में केसर या राइस बनाने वाली हूँ आज. मैं यहाँ पर आज फिरनी बना रही हूँ.
एक्चुअली बनाने थे लड्डू, लेकिन टाइमिंग कम था, इस वजह से मैंने पुडिंग बना दिया. इस कुकिंग के माध्यम से सब लेडीज़ बाहर निकलती है, कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करती है. उनका जो आर्ट होता है वो बाहर आता है. थैंक्स, हमको रेडिकल राइस की वजह से ये चांस मिला है.
Our 8 finalists cannot wait to be introduced. They're amongst the very best home cooks in the country and they are now ready to meet you. 100% made in Indian kitchens, trained in the traditions of Desi Khana, all set to make their cities and families proud.
This is the search for India's best home cook. The stoves will light up and the pots will jangle. The top 8 contenders are here for the kitchen battle of the year. Our first and youngest finalist, Neha Kulshrestha. Regular food or creative stuff, this mother of two from Jaipur can cook it all.
एक्चुअली मेरे को पहले कुकिंग में इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. हाँ, आफ्टर मैरिज में जब भी खाना बनाती हूँ तो उसको खा के मेरे हस्बैंड खुश होते हैं, तारीफ़ करते हैं. मेरे इन लॉज से मेरे को बहुत तारीफ़ मिलती है. तो बस उसी से मेरी विल खाना कुकिंग को लेके और ज़्यादा बढ़ गई.
मैं बच्चों को संभालता हूँ. 2 छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं. जब वो खाना बनाने वाली होती हैं तो, और ट्राई कर रहा हूँ कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सपोर्ट दे सकूँ.
Joining Neha is Snehal Chauhan from Andheri in Mumbai. A housewife, Snehal has been cooking mouth-watering meals for her family for over 2 decades.
मुझे खाना बनाने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मेरे 2 बच्चे, एक बेटा है एक बेटी है. वो बोलती है मम्मी ये बनाओ ना. जो बाहर आजू बाजू में देखते हैं उनके घर में कुछ पकता है तो उनको लगता है कि हमारे घर में भी यही पके. तो बोलते हैं उन्होंने ये बनाया है. तो फिर मैं उनको जाके पूछती हूँ कि ये आपने कैसा बनाया, क्या डाला क्या नहीं डाला. फिर उनके जैसे बनाने का कोशिश करती हूँ और अपने बच्चों को खिलाती हूँ. शुरू में ऐसा तो मम्मी मेरी, मैं छोटी थी तो मम्मी कुछ ना कुछ सिखाती थी. कभी उसके बाजू में बिठा के आटा गूंद के दे, कांदा काट के दे, टमाटर काट के दे. ऐसा धीरे 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 करते करते सीख गई और फिर पूरा खाना बनाने को लग गई. मेरे भाई थे, मेरे पापा थे. मेरे पापा को मेरा हाथ का मम्मी से भी ज़्यादा फिर मेरा खाना अच्छा लगने को लगा.
खाने में मेरी मम्मी सबसे अच्छा चपाती और फिश मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. कॉन्टेस्ट में तो मम्मी ही जीत के आएगी.
Sajna Shamsi is a budding designer and an avid cook. Based in Chennai, Sajna comes from a family of expert cooks who are eager to see her perform well in this competition.
She's a great cook. She makes awesome biryani. Her mutton biryani is out of the world. She's awesome in making desserts too. She's a great cook overall.
The thing I like the most about my mother's cooking is that she prepares really good. I love her Italian food such as pasta and Chinese food. She prepares good chili chicken, fried rice, and all that. Whenever I take it to school, all my friends love that. They ask me whether my mom work as a chef and all that.
She's amazing with non-veg food. I've tried some amazing Kerala cuisine and I think she does an awesome job there. She holds a very good chance. I feel she's very cool and composed when she's cooking and she doesn't take stress and she loves cooking. So I have no doubt that she's going to come with lots of victory.
Sajna, all the best from the Jain Sagricans.
Our 4th finalist is Smita Bose from Kolkata. Smita loves to invent and innovate in her kitchen and she hopes her daring experiments will take her far.
मैं खुद खाना खाने का बहुत शौकीन हूँ. मुझे बहुत खाना अच्छा लगता है, इसलिए मैं तरह तरह का खाना रोज़ कोशिश करती हूँ करने के लिए और सबको खिलाने के लिए. अगर मेरा बस चले तो पड़ोसियों को बुला के खिलाऊं क्योंकि उन लोग मुझे अच्छा बोलेगा तो मुझे और इंस्पिरेशन आएगा. तो फॉर दैट रीज़न मैं और अच्छा खाना रोज़ बना सकती हूँ.
वैसे तो स्मिता सभी अच्छे कर लेती है, लेकिन मेरा जो फेवरेट है वो है चिली चिकन और बिरयानी.
Next in line is Jamila Zaki of Bangalore. Professional experience and exotic Arab influence are what make Jamila one of the strongest competitors in this challenge. And who can beat that?
The
beauty of her, when she cooks, she has always a smile on her face. That itself makes you go and want to eat what she makes. When she puts her hand into it, it's yes. We know if she's cooking, Jamila's cooking, we all just wait for her.
Cooking is a media of relaxation and keeping the family together, because my family loves good food, and that's why I keep the family together.
She cooks mostly at home, and she cooks what we try to say, okay, make something, garnish it. She just said, y'all only, the family members, what should I garnish? So I think she has to work on a little more on her garnishing. I think she can do it.
Richa Srivastav from Hyderabad is a fitness expert. Richa can flip a pan with as much ease as she can do a yoga asana.
I'm very excited for the contest, and I'm really very keen for participating to move ahead, and it means a lot.
I like the Kerala Hindi of my mother, and I ate one full kadai.
Well, she has put a lot of efforts in this, and myself and my entire family, all elders are always behind her, and we wish her all the best, that she wins for herself, for the family, for our Hyderabad, and make everybody proud.
I wish her all the very best, and I would like her to win the contest and make all of us proud, even Hyderabad proud.
Our seventh finalist, Varsha Gaikwad, is from Pune. Former social worker and current homemaker, nutrition and health top Varsha's list, and she never compromises on taste.
मुझे कुकिंग करना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि कुकिंग करने से जो भी घर पे हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स है या कोई मेहमान आते हैं, तो उनको खाना खिला के उनके चेहरे पे जो सेटिस्फेक्शन होता है, वो देख के मुझे बहुत ही समाधान मिलता है, बहुत ही खुशी होती है.
Earlier she used to be a research officer, and she was doing research in HIV/AIDS, but due to some family circumstances she left the job, and now she is totally devoted to her home. Secret of my health is also her recipes, and
वो जीत कर ही आएगी, ये मुझे एक पूरा तरह से विश्वास है.
I will support her with my love and the blessings.
Our eighth finalist, Veeta Singh from Delhi, has a special connection with food. Veeta believes that plating and presentation are as important as the flavors of the dish.
Right from the very beginning, I never played with the toys. I was more interested with Katori Chammach. Cooking for me is an art, and it is a way by which I say I love you, and to all those people who I care about, and to all those people whom I cannot reach, I make sure that my food reaches and it goes and gives my message.
I really enjoy eating her food, and it's like comfort food at some times, you know, when days are rough and you know, everything's not going all right, and then you go to her, and then, you know, she makes panjiri in winters, and it is amazing.
her presentation is very, very nice. So apart from making the dishes, if you see her presentation, she's excellent in that. She's got a knack of it.
And the host and judge of our show, Aditya Bal.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Radical Rise to Riches competition.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You are our 8 final contestants. Okay? The best 8 home cooks in the country. I want you to take a look at the contestant on your left and on your right. Chances are that by the end of the first competition, either you or them will have been eliminated. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
अभी डर लग रहा है.
You are our 8 final contestants. Okay, the best 8 home cooks in the country. आपकी families आपको support कर रही हैं. आपकी respective cities आपको back कर रही हैं. Do you think you have it in you to be crowned best home cook in the country?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Jamila, I believe you have some professional cooking experience.
A little bit, yes, chef.
Let me ask you, Neha, do you think it gives her a bit of an advantage?
Yes. इनका खुद का अपना रेस्टोरेंट चलाती हैं और she has experience in working in pressure also.
Working under pressure.
Pressure, yes.
Sajna also has comes from a restaurant background, am I right?
Yeah, my grandfather. And even my husband's father is also a restaurateur in Singapore. So after winning this contest only, I feel that the gene must have
Been passed on to you.
Yeah, definitely.
So Neha ji, you're a pure vegetarian, am I right?
Yes, right.
You have never cooked anything non-vegetarian?
Till now, never.
Till now, never?
Yes.
You think that's a good thing in this contest?
I know this is a negative point for me, but if it will require, I'll cook non-veg also.
And Smita, you know how much Bongs are passionate about their cooking.
Exactly. We can't live without fish.
You think you'll be able to do your city proud?
Obviously, that's why I'm here.
And Varsha, I believe you are not exposed to too many different kinds of ingredients. आप बहुत simple type का खाना बनाना पसंद करते हैं?
जी हाँ.
तो आपको लगता है कि दूसरे contestants की तुलना में आपको कोई advantage है इससे या disadvantage है?
मुझे तो पूरा एडवांटेज ही लग रहा है क्योंकि हर रोज़ कोई बिरयानी तंदूरी वगैरह खा नहीं सकते. अभी वीक में एक बार होता है वो, लेकिन घर का खाना घर का ही होता है. हम 2 दिन अगर होटल का खाना खाएं तो तीसरे दिन हमें घर का ही अच्छा लगता है. सिंप्लिसिटी इज़ द बेस्ट.
स्नेहल, आपको इंग्लिश से प्रॉब्लम है?
प्रॉब्लम है, नहीं आती.
इस कॉन्टेस्ट में ये आपके लिए अच्छी चीज़ होगी, इससे आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम होने वाली है?
नहीं, प्रॉब्लम नहीं होने वाली, क्योंकि जो हम करने वाले हैं, जो हमें जो करना है वही करना है. तो जो मैं महाराष्ट्रियन हूँ, मुझे वो करना है वही करूँगी. जो आए हैं उनका देश का तो मुझे करना नहीं, अपना देश का करना है तो मैं अपना अपना कर दूँगी.
So this is going to be a battle of 8 cities. Huh? 8 cultures. Great opportunity for all of you to do your cities and your states and your cultures, your families proud. What about Richa? You're from Hyderabad.
Yes.
You know that the tradition of Hyderabadi cooking